Good morning, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. It is Saturday. We have a snowstorm going on right now, so there's not that many cars on the road, but it's not the best condition. So right now, first of all, since yesterday didn't get any gas, 25 miles left, and need to go through Queens and Brooklyn to go through all the properties to just like do some shoveling and just so that, you know, nobody slips and falls. So it's gonna be like, you know, not an eventful day, but we're gonna be making moves today. So got Dre with me.
What's good, what's good?
And we're gonna fill up, get some gas, and hit the road. And let's see what we got going on today. Yo, why is gas so expensive? And $3.95. Yeah, that's up $3.95.
Right now, your safety is as important as ever. Reduce pump contact and pay from your car with the ExxonMobil Rewards Plus app. Here, smooth the look of fine lines in 1 week, deep wrinkles in 4.
Bro, I think we're almost there. Like, the whole thing, I think we're almost there. Like, the whole structure should be.
Structure gonna be elite, bro, I'm telling you.
Not even the gas stations shovel their damn lot.
Nah. So I was telling you, if we get the front end push joint, that'll be dope.
You gonna put it on?
If it's convenient for me, or if I can hook it up easily, or like accessible.
Like take it on and off, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay,
like,
that's what you're saying.
You know, obviously to adjust the height. Why not? That's easy bread. Look, somebody doing it right now. I think everybody either snowed in at work or snowed in at home. That's it. That's your two options.
And to have somebody come look at the room too.
Today?
Yeah. I was like, yo, people was like they want to see the room, so I was like, yo, it's tentative based on the weather. But then when I saw that I had to shovel anyway, I hit them up like, yo, do you still want to see the room? And some people was like, yeah. I was like, all right, pull up.
That's dedication.
That is dedication. In the foot of snow to come still view an apartment, like, you need to move. What time is it?
2:02.
All right, we starting at 2:02. I don't know if this looks good because like it's probably blown out, but you get the idea. It's 2:02 at the first property. Let me show you what it looks like without like showing you the address. But it's a lot of snow everywhere. Snow. We're gonna shovel the whole property. Start at 2:02 and see where we get, how long it takes us to get through all the properties before it gets dark. On to, what happened with the portals? Oh, nothing. Oh, it's 211. On to the next property. Let's keep it going. I think the majority of the time is gonna be spent traveling to the properties.
Yeah.
Because it probably took us, what, 10-20 minutes to shovel all of that? Yeah. It's cold. It is.
Cool, bro. I didn't have no gloves. You have to help me out, so I had to use the work gloves.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You good?
I'm gonna be good as soon as I start moving this car.
All right, so gotta make sure he's warm. So we're gonna head to the next property. Going to Brooklyn next.
Oh shit.
And yeah, hopefully we stay warm. All right, so just got to property number 2. I'm gonna drop my phone. I don't know what time it is. I don't know how long it took to get here, but we are here now. So, all right, got some more shoveling to do. Parking is a bitch right now too. All right, after this, do one more property, and I need to get some food. Yeah, so let's go shovel this snow. So what I have is not working right now for you.
Nah, man.
I think what I got is good. I'm judging what I got. Like, look,
I don't like this.
You might not know what's going on, but I know exactly which each key goes to, even if it's not labeled.
No.
Bet you I do. So right now,
My way is better.
and you can hold all my keys?
Yes. And you'll find it faster.
I'll find it faster. Alright, Tommy, how long is it gonna take me to find? Boom. You didn't even have to Tommy. Found it. This is it. This is the keys. Keys for this house. Just look at these streets. Look at these. Look at this. Oh. We gotta make sure nobody's gonna fall. So, mind you, I shoveled and I put salt down last night, like less than 12 hours ago. And this is how deep. It's probably like a foot. Yeah, like a foot of snow. But, you know, we work for the people. It's a service-based business. Service-based. Lord of mercy. I forgot we got one? Oh, yeah, we got two, but... My back.
I broke my back.
What do you mean by that? You
My
broke
back is broken.
You know when there's so much snow, you don't know where to put it anymore? It's like, where am I shoveling to? Property number 2 is done. And we are on a move. Good luck. Where'd this go? I think we're making good time. I think we're making real good time. Dre said if you need help, just ask him for help today.
Don't ask me.
He said that he got you. He's the expert. And whatever you need in your snow removal type of help, he got you. The key fob is in the car.
Key fob quit on you, bro.
I promise you, it's in the car. It's too cold for this. Part of me wants to just like stop now, but got only one more property left, and then I could treat myself with some food.
I'm not mistaken, I got 2.
What's after that? Yeah, and then what's next? Oh shit! We got 2 more properties to go.
I didn't want to drop no address, but I'm like, my boy.
Oh, okay. See, that part of me definitely wants to take a break, but you know we're gonna push through. Get to this last 2 properties, and then we get some food.
You look defeated now,
Bro. I really thought we had one more house left. I thought that was it, and I was done. My back hurts.
Your back is broken.
Like my back hurts. This only happens like once a year, twice a year, maybe. If you live in New York, it's not a lot. You don't get that much snow. But when it does happen, it's work. Like you don't want to get out your bed. At least I don't want to get out my bed and go do this. So sometimes it's just a little annoying. But if you want to be a property owner, this is what you gotta do. 2 more to go. So I just realized this whole time I did not have my mic on for this camera. So If the audio didn't sound good, my bad. But I promise it'll sound a lot better now for the remainder of the video if you made it this far. If it matters. What's this, property number 3?
No, the key's in there, right? You got a key.
I got the keys. Property number 3. We almost there. Ready? Alright, let's do this. First off, who told you about corner property? That's number 1.
Yo, don't buy corner property. It's not cute. It's not funny, y'all.
Jeez. I think that's wide enough. Maybe I'm just tired. I mean, I think that's good enough. What time is it? It is 3:49. Almost 4 o'clock. I don't know what time I started, but I'm tired. And I'm hungry. I want food. Something warm. All right, let me go help this guy, Dre. I don't know why you buy a corner property.
Got your cardio in?
My who win?
Cardio.
My back hurt. My back hurt.
Your back is broken.
What, a vertebrae or what portion?
Spinal.
I ain't getting no damn cardio. I think it's 4:11 now, so I lost track of like how good we're doing. But your property was the most difficult one. It took the most time. It took the most work. Why is it so long?
Bro, corner properties ain't no joke.
Oh my god.
And it don't help when people start walking on the snow, so now the snow gets harder.
Yeah.
It's all mashed down and icy.
If you can, like, shovel or help shovel your neighbors like sidewalk in their place too, because like they hold you down when it's time for you. So like, imagine if you didn't have that little patch already, like that'd be way more work.
Way more work, bro.
So if you have the chance to, or you're able to, shovel out like a portion of your neighbor's property or their house, their driveway, because you never know what they're going through, or if you're sick sometime and you just can't get out there, at least they could take care of the snow for you, or whatever the case that needs to be done. So, you know, hold your neighbors down. One more property, one more to go, and we're done. We'll see you at the next property, 413. See you soon. Ambulance coming, let's go. Okay. You gotta get out the way for the ambulance. Talk about timing.
I know.
Yo, so the amazing thing is, that was the last property that we was at, and it turns out that someone shoveled the snow for us in front of the house. See, and we was just talking about, like, you know, taking care of your neighbor so that, you know, you never know. And because sometimes I shovel their snow, like when they're not there, if I'm there early and the snow stopped, it looked like they took care of my driveway, my sidewalk. Okay, I get it.
Ambulance still coming.
Let me get out the way. Let me get out the way. So that was super dope. It feels good to not have to shovel that last property. And the time is now 4:30. We are done. So the day is done. Me and Dre probably gonna get some food. Woo! I feel accomplished. I feel good, Dre. What about you?
I feel good.
You feel good?
Getting it done.
You got it done.
That's about like 2 hours worth of work.
Yeah, not bad.
Maybe 2.5.
Yeah, not bad for a day.
So